Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the autocomplete button in Material UI. So autocomplete button is basically is a normal text input enhanced by the panel of suggested options. But you can see that combo box, the value must be chosen on the predefined. So you can see that we have a Godfather if I going to type. So there is a search also, right? And you can select the rest of the part also. And there is a cross button. So if you want the one field and you want like this kind of text box with a searchable, so you can use this Material UI as a combo box. What you need to do is here I have created one. So you can see we have autocomplete, Material UI autocomplete, then we have a text field, then we have a React from the import. Then you have to add this one autocomplete, and it has the disable portal ID options. So it is 100 fields. So all the data should be like this in the array form with the label and the year, right? So label should be there. So whatever it is showing over here, so label is important, right? Render input params text field, this one, and you can change the label also. So here we have a text field that is all the data is and there, and there is one more thing that is options, right? So this is the first part. Okay, so moving to the next one, we have an option structure, like type of like by default the component accepts the following option structures: label, string, and like this one, and id one to for the instance, you can see, right? So for each of the examples demonstrate one of the feature of the autocomplete also. This is also autocomplete, right? You can also use this one. Okay, so these all are the feature. If you want like this one, so you can also do the this one. But here you can see that there is a country selection like this. So you can you use this one with the code. I will going to add it. So it is country select. So they have the images, right? You can add the images like this also. So source select and option code with two lowercase png.2x. Okay, so this way you can also add one the autocomplete button if your requirement suits like this. Okay, and the one more thing that I have faced, that is the like the, you can say, there is it is, I will show you where it is. No, this is the this is not that one. Disabled option, you can disable whatever the options, you can just pass the disables options. This is this one. If you want like this is a custom like suppose like select with you can see select with the cross button, like whenever I can delete the some of the fields, I can delete, I can search. So this kind of there is I have the also the requirement of the same, but I haven't used that one. Okay, and I have used some different, but you can use that one, right? So you can use this like this also. Okay, if you want something like this, you can also install this one. So it's very easy to install and add. You can see that just you need to add this one autocomplete if it is a default one. Like this is the autocomplete button, not like select one. Okay, they have the different select fields. Okay, so this is called the autocomplete, right? Which have the autocomplete drop down. You can search it. You can add that text field. So this is the tutorial on autocomplete. Any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.